In a major step forward for modern air power, the United States Air Force has announced exciting news. The YFQ-44A, a smart, unmanned fighter drone also known as Fury, has successfully completed its first missile test. This test marks a new record in the fast development of drone technology. Experts say this achievement shows how quickly America is building the next generation of combat aircraft. The Air Force released the first photos of the YFQ-44A flying with a missile attached under its wing. But this was not just any missile. It was an inert version of the famous AIM-120 Advanced Medium-Range Air-to-Air Missile. The test is called captive carry. That means the drone carried the missile during flight without dropping or firing it yet. Engineers checked how the extra weight and shape affected the drone's flying, balance, and speed. This first missile test is a huge milestone. The YFQ-44A flew smoothly with the heavy missile hanging outside. Engineers studied everything: how the air flowed around the missile, whether the wings stayed strong, and if the drone's systems worked perfectly. The test happened at a secret location in California. Photos show the sleek black drone on the ground and in the air with the long white missile under one wing. Anduril and the Air Force worked together closely. They said this test was deliberate, responsible, and necessary. It is the safe way to make sure everything is ready before real live fire tests. The Air Force plans to do actual missile firing later in 2026. When that happens, the YFQ-44A will be able to shoot real AMRAAM missiles at enemy targets from far away. The YFQ-44A is fast and smart. It can reach high speeds and fly at long distances. It carries weapons on the outside of its body, which makes it different from some other drones that hide weapons inside. This design helps it carry more missiles or different kinds of weapons. The drone uses powerful AI software to make decisions. It can fly by itself, change plans during a mission, and talk with other planes in the sky. In future wars, having many affordable drones can help protect expensive manned jets. The drones can take risks, carry weapons, scout ahead, or confuse enemy radars. This teamwork makes the whole Air Force stronger and safer for human pilots. One amazing fact: the YFQ-44A went from a simple drawing on paper to its very first flight in only 556 days. That is super fast for such a complex machine. Normal fighter programs usually take many years. This speed shows Anduril's new way of building aircraft using modern factories and smart engineering. The YFQ-44A has no pilot inside. Instead, it uses advanced artificial intelligence to fly and fight on its own or with human pilots. This drone is part of the US Air Force's special program called Collaborative Combat Aircraft. The idea is simple. These drones will work as loyal wingmen alongside real fighter jets like the F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II. The drone is about 20 feet long. It looks like a small fighter jet with sharp lines for stealth. The YFQ-44A can do many jobs: air-to-air combat, fighting other planes, attacking ground targets, collecting information, or jamming enemy signals. Because it costs less than a real fighter jet, the Air Force hopes to buy many of them. Having hundreds or even thousands of these drones could change how wars are fought. The CCA program has two main competitors right now. One is the YFQ-44A from Anduril. The other is the YFQ-42A from General Atomics. Both are testing hard. The Air Force wants to choose the best design and start building them in large numbers soon. Production of the YFQ-44A has already started at Anduril's new factory in Ohio. Workers there are building the first batches. This missile test is not the first achievement for the YFQ-44A. It already completed its maiden, first flight in late 2025. Since then, it has done many test flights to check its engines, controls, and AI brain. Now, adding weapons is the next big step. After more captive carry tests with different missiles and loads, the team will move to dropping inert missiles. Then comes the exciting part. Live fire tests where the drone actually shoots a real missile. If everything goes well, the YFQ-44A could join the Air Force in just a few years. With smart drone wingmen, pilots will have extra eyes and extra firepower in the sky. The drones can go into dangerous areas first, find targets, and protect the manned jets. The YFQ-44A also shows how American companies are using new ideas. Anduril uses modern computers, fast manufacturing, and AI in every part of the design. This helps build better machines quicker and at lower cost. In simple words, the YFQ-44A is like a robot fighter pilot that never gets tired and can take on risky jobs. Its first missile test proves the drone is strong enough to carry real weapons and fly well while doing it. Break new record indeed. The YFQ-44A has shown the world that the age of loyal drone wingmen has truly arrived.